Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now we are in Fort right now, and we're gonna go to second island. We're gonna speedrun this. Okay, you get the point. Okay, let's go mine. I think I'm gonna do bars quest actually. Bars quest will give me some level first. Super fast. Okay, let's go find the guitar. I know it because I played in my main account before in this game. My main account is Nohe199. Okay. I have grinded to the third island and I have some things in my third account. Main account. I'm gonna give him the look at this guy, baby. Here's the guitar. Now he's just chilling. Chill, man. Don't cry like a baby. I got the legendary new class in just like 3 roll. In the 3 roll, I got this. Yo, there's Angel. I forgot the name, but this class is super good for starter. Oh no, Sonny, don't get me. Okay, let's go in and unlock the area for some level. Okay, I'm level 9. I've grinded a little bit before. How do I shift lock? Do I need to get it on? Yeah, shift lock is on. What? How do I shift lock? Tap? No. How do I shift lock? Oh, I can block D. D is the block button. Is it? No. F is the block. How do I shift lock? 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 Crap, no. How do I shift lock? Bruh, I don't know how to shift lock. Okay, let's mine something. What is the second island got here? I don't know. Rock, let's mine the rock. Okay, we got a copper. Kill 3 zombie. I will do that a little bit. Get 25 ore. I'm aiming for that 25 ore now. I know the strats for leveling up fast because I played like, I don't know, like 15 hours. Yeah, something like that. This class is OP for PvP actually, super. Can I mine the boulder? I think I can, right? Yeah, I can. We are speedrunning this. Okay? We are not doing like YouTubers did like something. We are speedrunning to second that get better as possible in like 30 minutes. We're gonna do that, okay? Okay, let's. Oh, actually, let's shift to sprint. Q to dash, actually. How do I use shift lock? By the way, many people's is better. How do I shift lock? I can't do shift lock. If I'm going to the second area, I need to find the shift lock. I just need to. Shift lock, I need to find. How do I shift lock? I'm trying. J, no. Instant? No. How do I shift lock? Home? No. Mode. F3. Is my mic on right now? Am I talking? I didn't talk before in my first video because I got my game sound too loud. Okay, we need to mine 35 rocks. 35 ores, but I'm mining people, so it will drop 1 ore. I will grind the banana for monkey quest for free 10,000. Thousand. Yeah, free 10,000. You get the point. Okay, let's mine one more rock. Okay, let's go up to the surface. Let's go up. I'm gonna buy golden pickaxe. And I'm gonna make my up to the... Huh? Why is it not... Oh, it worked. It worked. I'm gonna make my way up to the thingy actually. For 20 armor, I'm gonna make a good armor. 13. I'm gonna go for the gauntlets. I'm gonna do armor. Light? No. At least medium. Ooh, heavy chestplate. This is good for the start. Sorry, I don't have Robux for the thingy. Let's do this. My first time forging in computer. In my main account, I'm using Dwarf Race and Goblin for the discount. I don't know how did I get 2 Dwarf in a row, but I do know is I have some skill right now. I'm kinda noob. Okay, you're running. Yes. Helmet, right? Yes. Night helmet. No, not that one actually. We can't get that one. I'm clicking. Sorry for the bad words. You know what? That's good for the starter actually. Yeah, 38%. That's super bad. We need to mine more ores. We need to sell some stuff right now. Like, no one is coming to first island right now, because everyone is at second island or third island, something like that. I'm gonna sell my pickaxe too. I'm not gonna sell my helmet. I'm gonna equip my helmet. I look ugly. I look super ugly. Let's go mine like 2 more hours or 3. Let's go for 3. Okay, let's respawn just for faster going back. Yeah, did you guys know that? You can respawn and go back to your spawn area super fast. Then let's do this. Okay, this will be kinda easy for us. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And I can't. I can speedrun, guys. Don't worry, I can speedrun. Do not worry, I can speedrun. Uh, Thank you, guys. Thank you for the views. I see the views blow up like a insane. In 12 minutes we got like what? Oh shit. No, I mean we got like 12 views in 10 minutes. Let's keep that up, guys. Let's go aim for something else now. Like 12 minutes for 30 maybe to exit. I think I'm not gonna go for 30 because it's kinda hard for a new YouTuber like yo 67% good. Okay, we need to kill 3 zombies now. Let's go killing with my big ult sword. I've never used my ult count before, and when I get to my ult count, and it was like what bird, like 3 level or something, and it was disgusting, like super disgusting. Yo, okay, this guy is too strong for me. That guy is just too strong for me. Let's go for zombies actually. Oh, actually it's just zombies, not minus one. I'm not even fighting that guy. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Bro, this attack speed is super slow. What the? I'm tiny essence. That's good. Let's go kill him. Why did I even make this? I don't know, okay? I just started in this gun. Why did I make big sword? Big sword is weakness at. Big sword is so bad. I don't know why did I make big sword for 9 level. I need a little more level to do the thing. I need to enchant my weapon. No, no, no. I don't want actually. I need to. Let me just do it at least one time. Let me just do it one time. Just the one time. Bro, I need to do it like. What? I don't need to do that. Yeah. Yuck. I did my bad armor way better. Yuck. I need to make room too. My money will go down drain like insane. Okay, let's talk to that old dude sensei more like hurt man. Who's the hurt? I need to get the wizard quest now. Wizard. I need to talk to the wizard. Is this good running? Am I fast running or what? And am I? I'm not aiming for the world record enemies. World record is too hard anyways. I can compete with the world, the whole world. Maybe some of them will start with Angel, bro. How am I trying to beat that? How can I even do that, bro? Let's just shortcut or skip R. Okay, I will click that fast. Since tomorrow. Okay. What did you say again? Sorry. Thank you. Wait, since tomorrow. Thank you. I don't need money. Moments. Huh? I did talk to him. I need to go to the second island now. Maybe I'm 10 level. Actually. Yes, second island. New world, new island. Yes, sir. Okay, okay, we're at the second island now. Let's go talk to Sensei Moro. He'll tell us to get the thingy, and I will talk to the boy. My boy, Captain. He's my boy. Warrior Captain. This game is just getting quit by some players, cause it's getting too much like a grind, too much grind, too much grind, so much grind. That's why players are leaving this game, and it has only like 100 player active right now. I'm gonna grind for the pickaxe actually. I need to grind for money right now. This is the thing. Grinding first and second island is so hard, annoying. We don't need copper. I don't need copper. I don't need copper, okay? I'm not sure the copper man, okay? Don't comment, compliment. Actually, I'm gonna give my comment on this time. I did a bad job getting my comment up, and no one commented because I gotten my comment off. No, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. This is the part. Grinding over is super hard. Yes, yes, yes. Go there, go there. Hacker is there. Hacker is helping me. Hacker, help. Hacker, help. I don't like hackers that much. Let me kill him. Let me kill. Boy, let me kill him too. I need to kill too. Bro is just flying. Bro is just like a admin. Bro is admin. Admin flying around like a hacker. That is a hacker, not the admin. La quiz. Oh, this is the part. I didn't claim my index. I'm gonna claim it actually. Oh, I need way more money now. Way more. way more money. Light helmet, king's helmet, enemy. This is the part you guys might don't know, cause if you claim your index, it's just insane. Just I had 4,000 before, I got like 3,000 there. I got 2 more indexes to claim now. This game is kinda insane grind now. So everyone is quitting right now. I'm taking the blue things cause I need it for that Dark Knight armor. I'm gonna make blue Dark Knight armor. It is my coolest looking armor ever, and it's kind of wow. I kinda been left off cause everyone has like demon, angel. Most of them has angel, demon, arcane. Like everyone uses that. Notice. I'm just using goblin, dwarf, and I'm just getting leftover. My friend even got angel. Bro is farting everywhere. Bro is just farting and coming to everywhere. Bro is fart man. Bro, I will put on top of him fart man. Fart man. What a fart man. Farting man. That's the fart, smelliest fart I've ever seen. Okay, he's walking. He's gone. I got my first gold. That was my first one. I can PvP because I have no. Actually, this race is OP than maybe Angel, because it has like super fast mobility power and super fast dash. For PvP is the best. But the Angel has faster movement speed and no mobility speed. So this is just a little better Angel version. Bro, look at that hacker flying around like a jerk. Let me try to kill him. Big sword is just not my favorite. I'm gonna die just to get there fast. See, don't die again, please. I die like a 10. I die like 100 times in this game. Eh, uh, I died 100 times in my main account in this game. So, how do I have Xmas? Um, I don't know. I have minor and luck potion for the daily gifts. Okay. Gauntlets. Shit, gauntlets. Do I go for it? These gauntlets. Oh. My inventory is full. I was a fool already, actually. This is just a PvP kind of. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. I'm Asian, like maybe that guy is like an Asian boy, cause I don't know, but Asians like to hack a lot of times. Yeah, they're just a filthy little hackers. I hacked in my time before. Gauntlets, give me the gauntlets. Give me the gauntlets. Please, please be gauntlets. Please be godly. Please. Please, I need godly. I need this. I need this. I need this. No, no. Freaky straight sword. Get out of my screen. Maybe it is better actually. Cause it, yeah, yeah, that was so bad. That was like so bad. Yeah. Only 9 damage. Only 9 damage? What? Second? You guys are seeing me stretch right now. What the hell is that? Oh, my sword has, my gauntlets has like 165 damage. Why is that only? That doesn't even make sense now. Huh? Doesn't make sense. Cause that dumb guy. Let me cook him. Right? Why am I this bad? I have a snow pickaxe. What the? Bro is carrying a literally rock. He was carrying a rock. Huh? Really? Carrying a rock in forging game? I'm just stealing his kill for this quest over here. Captain Warrior is just a grinder, man. He makes us grind like a hard child. Okay, let me kill the skeleton now. Back on my falcon. My falcon can kill you like it's nothing. Bruh, I'm using the sword right now, and I just BFK and kill that boy like a or a farmer. F to block. I know that. I need to learn shift block. Shift block, shift block, shift crop. Cannot. No, no, no. It's not this. What? How do I do this? How do I shift lock? Look, look, just look. Shift lock is on. Shift lock is on. Why? Why is it not on? I currently use shift lock like my main mobility all the time. Like I need to use shift lock, man. Man, who doesn't like shift lock? I love shift lock. Who even doesn't? Bro is freaking dagger and doing so much damage right now. Bro is freaking dagger and doing like 100 damage as his. Hey yo, stop hitting me like a jerk. Let me kill you. Let me kill you, boy. Let me kill you, boy. No, I'm low and he's low. Let me kill him. Ah, I killed him. I died. Slayer, notice. Ah, I got a badge for that. Why is it didn't say I died? Oh, it did. Okay, let's go in again. Let's get my balcony and cook this boy. I'm saving my money for the 10,000 tickets, and I'm going for the mithril or like I'm not going for the mithril actually. I'm not going for the mithril. I'm going for the 100k one. I might get arcane first before that, but 100k one is better. In my opinion, just in my opinion. Guys, don't bully me in the comments. I'll get my comments on. Sorry for the first video. First video was so bad, like, oh my god. Okay, yap, 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 yap. 50 Raji and 1 Scallywag. If I do this quest, I will get a nice reward. I will get the money for buy the pickaxe. Bam, bam, bam. Let me help him kill, bruh. Let me kill too, brother. You're not the only one here. This is the mining spot that you need to be here. If you're a starter, here's a tip. Go for the heavy armor, not sword. Heavy sword like sucks. Heavy sword sucks. Why I can play no mid-tank? Cause I got it wrong in my security first. First security. You guys might not know. He will ask like, what games did you play in 7 days? And I said the wrong game. Pick 3, and I said the wrong 6. And how do I make the security 2? I don't know right now. I need to know that for something. This guy is helping me like a god himself. Bruh, bro is just mining now. Help, 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 help me, help me please, help me please, help me please, help me, help me, help me, help me. I need to kill too. Yes, thank you. Oh, it didn't count. Yeah, it didn't count. Holy shit. Bro, this game is saying holy, like a holy moly, no. I will mine 2 at a time, like a greedy pig. No, 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 no. Death axe. I hate that guy. I hate that axe. Let me just mine this first. Let me just mine this, please. Yes. Yeah. Why did I even say yes if I die? I'm already 60 level and I like enemies. How do I speed things up? Enemies? Scallywag? Bomber skeleton. This is the bomber one. Yeah. We played for 30 minutes and I'm still like a noob. We played for like freaking 30 minutes already. And oh my. Let's go for 30-minute pass like a fast flash. If you guys make me a meme, I will be happy. I mean, I will be angry. Everyone will say angry, but I will say happy, happy, happy. Do. I was gonna buy that 10,000 tickets actually. I'm gonna do tomorrow since it's Christmas. Is this too loud? I think this is too loud, right? Is this good? Okay, I think this is good. Okay. I'm doing a good job right now. Don't hate me, cause I just can't do things right in Forge. I can't even play in mouse and thing, okay? Why am I this bad? Why? Forge is dying, no one is talking about it. No one cares about Forge. I kinda care about it still. Why is my stats stay 4? Cause of this sale. And I mean, cause of this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that. 4 maybe? Yeah, like games. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. Right. Just wait. And that's triggered. Okay. Let's buy the pickaxe. Let's buy the pickaxe and maybe tomorrow we will try to get the metro or this one right here. This is OP. I will try to get goblin for discount. Yeah, something like that. I do have race reroll for the code right now. Do it. Do it. Is Happy New Year a code still? Christmas? Is the code Christmas? Let me see again. Christmas? Is the code Christmas? If it is, I will reroll. Christmas. Oh, it's caps. Christmas. And like this. It is New Year, right? It is this, right? New Year. And then exclamation mark. No. I think it is still work. Let me think. Is code still the New Year? Happy Christmas? No. What's the code again? I forgot. Happy Christmas. New Year. Happy New Year? Maybe? Just maybe. Please be it. No. Is it not? Is it not the exclamation mark? Okay, let me try. Let me try again. Is it expired? New Year exclamation mark. No, it's not exclamation. Expired. It's expired now. It is expired now. It was not expired when I played. When I took it. I think today. I think it is morning at USA right now, and it's like that now. Yeah, it's like that now. Because of that, new day, new thing, and they got the code expired. Thank you. Thank you for developers. I was just gonna use it for video, and you guys expired it. Okay, let's get the full set of armor, and we're gonna go up. This is just taking a while to do. I got this. I need to do one more. Just the need to do the helmet now. The helmet. Yeah, I need to get the pants. I need to get the pants. And we are done in our second video. I feel kinda bad for my main account. My main account. If you guys know how to get your security to code, I will do it in my main account. I don't know how to get my security to, yeah, something like that. Secure, give my security to a code. I don't know how to get code for it, and I can log in my account. In my phone, I have it like on right now. I'm playing my phone. That thingy Forge. My main account, I'm playing my iPhone because I can join in a computer or something like that. So yeah, that's it. Hi boy. Community move miner. I'm a miner now. Yay, I'm a miner now. Yeah, I think this is not for the material. Let me say my thingies for money, extra money, with the money. Let's sell them essence. I don't care about my essence right now, cause at end game it will matter a lot. I don't care about it right now. No. I will not do this sort of thing. No. Okay. 772. Deal for something like that. Yeah. Then you start this. Bro is just a big bag. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna get coblets. Shit, today, man. Heavy helmet, 15%. Medium helmet? No. Medium helmet. Please give me the medium helmet. Medium. That was 15%. 2% for legging if I get live making. Am I done? Am I done? Please be lagging, please, for community, give me the lagging. No, nah. Is this better? It might be better though. Yo, why is it coming over so fast? What the? Oh my. Okay, we played like a 40 minutes now. Okay, let's get uh this 11%. I need to be lucky for this. Okay, that was awkward. This cat is so OP. Did you see the 2 rolls in a row? Super fast. Why am I keeping this? Golden pickaxe? Yeah. Yeah, deal, babe. In the next video, we might get the lagging and get better at the game because we are like disgustingly bad right now. Please. Just one. Do you guys watch Butterfly? Watch his channel. He's like insane grinder. No like. If he gotten the new sword, Dragon Spear, 108%, he got the worst thing. If he gotten the Dragon Spear, it will be game over. He will melt like Yeti so fast, like an insane combo machine. He will be like mind blowing crazy. Yeah, yeah, light helmet. Yeah, that's the best thing ever. I'm not going like that. What? Oh, bro, 67 level, 67 level. Bro's 11 level, and bro is same class as me. He's like same people. We are like same people. Watch your way, man. I'm gonna go like this. Watch your way, man. Yo, isn't that insane, man? Okay, this video will end here. Yeah, we didn't get the metro pickaxe in just 30 minutes. That's 40 minutes. We didn't get this or light eye pickaxe. Okay, let's go end this video. Bye guys. Before we go by, I'm gonna reroll my wrist. Yes! Please, please, please. Heal me, heal me, heal me. That was a kind of bad idea. Please, dwarf. I'm keeping dwarf. Dwarf is OP. Dwarf, look at me. I'm a elf now. I'm a elf. I'm a small baby now. Yeah, that was the video I made. Is it good or bad? Comment down below. And bye.